Hi friends, welcome to the Tech Blog Live YouTube channel. Whether you are a professional architect designer or an architect student, having the right laptop and software can make a big difference to your work. There are many architecture software in the market that can run smoothly only on a decent laptop. These laptops must be powerful enough to run such programs comfortably and portable enough to bring around. Also, these devices must be equipped with a lot of internal memory and have an impressive display to minimize eye strain. But purchasing such devices for your needs will prove to be no less than a challenging task. Because when it comes to buying the right product, there's a lot to look out for. So, if you're looking for the best laptop for architects, we can help you with some of the best laptops currently available in the market. That's why today, we've picked and reviewed the 3 best models for you. These devices are well suited for different levels of architectural design. We've spent many hours researching these products. We've ranked them based on their price, quality, durability, and performance. To make it easier, we will include timestamps in the description down below. You can also see the prices and other information about laptops by using the links in the description. Get more detailed analysis on our website, bestinlinealaptops.com. Let's get started. Microsoft Surface Laptop 3. The Surface laptop family comes with a 13.5-inch model with a unique soft fabric covering its palm rest. The Surface laptop line now includes multiple sizes, color options, and configurations. But it's not nearly as flashy as the rose gold color option available on the Apple MacBook Air. The Surface Laptop 3's physical design remains nearly identical to that of the first and second generations. It has a traditional clamshell form factor. Design. The laptop is also available in a larger 15-inch version. The sandstone color finish looks handsome and understated. It comes with supremely sturdy unibody construction, giving up a bit of weight and size. Display. They're lighter and smaller laptops with 13-inch and 15-inch screens, such as the Acer Swift 7. But they often sacrifice build quality, typing comfort, audio quality, or all 3 to achieve their sleekness. Performance. It comes with a 13.5-inch touchscreen and an Intel Core i7 processor. The other chassis color options at this screen size include black, platinum, and cobalt blue. Keyboard. You won't find a detachable keyboard or 360-degree hinge shear designs. Conclusion. The Surface Laptop 3 is an excellent laptop that can fulfill all your architect's needs. 2. Acer Aspire 5. Acer Aspire 5 is a popular budget device that receives frequent updates and tweaks. Design. The Acer Aspire 5 is a sleek, portable 15-inch notebook. At just over 3.9 pounds and 0.7 inches thin, this device is quite light for budget price 15-inch laptop. Most laptops with this price range are often heavy pieces of equipment molded from black plastic. In contrast, the exterior is silver aluminum, meaning this notebook is light and sport a sleek modern look. With 3.2 pounds, it will not weigh you down with your backpack. Display. When you open the lid, you are greeted new standard LED backlight and in plain IPS technology. The screen is excellent, with clear and vivid colors when the backlight is set to its optimum level. The screen achieves this quality using a matte finish that reduces glare from ambient lights. Performance. It has an Intel Core i7 processor, NVIDIA GeForce MX 250 graphics, and 512GB of SSD storage. The cheapest Aspire 5 around gets you AMD Ryzen 3 processor and Vega 3 graphics. Conclusion. Overall, with the Acer Aspire 5, you are getting more than what you are paying. It offers a combination of crisp 1080p display, lightweight profile, and price. While most of the budget architects will appreciate using Acer Aspire 5. 1. Asus Rog Zephyrus G14. If you want to get the most bang for your hard-earned money, I recommend the excellent Asus Rog Zephyrus G14. It is one of the most impressive gaming laptops out there. It comes with a great portable design, solid display, awesome performance, excellent battery life, and so much more. Design. The lightweight body owes you to the fantastic magnesium and aluminum used for its construction. The moonlight white color scheme is just fantastic. Display. It is packed with a 14-inch panel with full HD resolution and a 120Hz native refresh rate. The panel supports AMD FreeSync, which works excellent for tier-free gaming. Performance. It is power-packed with some awesome solid performance specs. It provides you enough to get you through any game with a high refresh rate and beautiful visuals. It's packed with the 3rd generation AMD Ryzen 9 processor with 16GB of RAM. It also comes with 1TB of high-speed SSD to make it a productivity powerhouse. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 Max GPU with 6GB that'll impress everyone out there. Conclusion. This laptop is fantastic for architects to use in their daily work. Final verdict. Recommended best laptop for architect is Asus ROG Zephyrus G14. Other laptops on this list are also great. You can select and buy one from the Amazon link given in the description. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope you have an awesome day. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to get the latest update from our channel. Because in this channel you get helpful laptop reviews, plus, the things to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Get more detailed analysis on our website, bestinlinealaptops.com. Which is your top pick from today's video, Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 or Acer Aspire 5? Have a great one and I will see you next time.